In this video, we're going to show you how to get ChatGPT in Windows. All right, so this is very easy. Just open any browser on your PC and just go to Google and type ChatGPT, right? And it's gonna be the very first option, openai.com. Just click on this. And as you can see, we are now, because I'm already signed up, I have an account, a free one though. So now we have ChatGPT over here. And if you want this, just click on the star icon here if you're using Chrome or any browser. Click on this and then just add to bookmark, right? Just add to bookmarks like this. It's going to be added to bookmarks. So it's that easy and you can use this, but just take note that after some time that you don't use it, or like maybe a month or so, you kind of need to sign in again because it automatically logs you out after some time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.